Hello and welcome to my live stream where I give part two of my big announcement. Part one of my big announcement was Saturday, and didn't want to leave you too much in suspense, but I am now a principal technology solutions expert on at Electrify or Electrify. Awesome. I see I got a couple of comments. Version 2 of Pick C is out. I will definitely check that out. I know who that is. That's Rupesh. Rupesh, I've not forgotten you. I've just been slammed. Got a new laptop. Got to get it. Well, my account set up and that sort of thing. I have been busy skilling up. So if you don't know who or what Electrify is, let me show you. I will do my share screening. Automatically shared screens. Start screen sharing. Here we go. Awesome. 2 minutes ago, it went live. Yeah. So you got to check out some of the stuff Rupesh is doing. Rupesh is doing some amazing things. He is a smart guy, and he's built out a tool for his own use. And this is Electrify. And Electrify, thanks, Mina. I appreciate you putting your name in there because for some reason, Restream does not share that information with me. So here is Electrify, and that's right. What are the odds we both have V2 out together? That's cool. That's cool. Definitely got to have you on the live stream again, Rupesh. All right. So basically, what is Electrify? Well, Electrify is this really cool technology company where they take the pre-built machining learning models and makes it available to more customers. So a lot of folks are like, isn't this like cognitive services? It is, but it's a little more custom. And there's 1,000 models that are out there, and we're able to kind of take the pre-trained models plus your data and then build a better product on top of it. Unlike kind of the mass market models that you see that other companies have. And ultimately, this is going to be, I think, a transformative type solution for a number of reasons. If you look at the models that are there, what's available here, these are serious. These address serious business problems. It's not that computer vision and natural language processing aren't serious business problems, but I'm talking about the things that really where the rubber meets the road, right? Customer churn prediction, incremental upselling, that sort of thing. These are the types of business problems that historically AI is really kind of built around to solve their problems. But historically, these problems require customized data with your market and your customers and all that type of thing. In order to crunch down those numbers, you need your own data science team. The goal here is to get it to the point where you can start with a pre-trained model and add your custom data to have a model that is customized and specific to your use case in your business. So that's why I am super excited, as we say at Microsoft, to talk about Electrify AI. Keep an eye on this space wherever you're watching me, whether you're watching me on LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitch, or elsewhere. This is definitely something that I'm excited to kind of share with the world. And you can check out kind of the industries that we're here, whether it's healthcare. I think, Mina, you're in a healthcare organization, I think. Retail, media, entertainment, banking, any of these industries. If you want to know more, reach out to me on LinkedIn, and we can have a good conversation. And with that, well, I'm going to get myself some lunch, and I want to thank you all for watching live. And if there's any questions right now, definitely go check out Pixie. Rupesh, is that on Android and iOS? You literally built an architecture that kind of supports it. I don't see your name, like the same thing. I don't see your name, so I'll have to go and dig through the comments on LinkedIn. And I don't know what would happen if I pulled up LinkedIn. Actually, why don't I see if I can pull up LinkedIn here on my phone? Not to be rude, but improvise, adapt, and overcome, as I like to say. Dun, dun, dun. All right. How are you all doing today? You having a good day? Frank Lavinia is live. Oh, Andy says that's Rupesh. That's right. Yeah, your product is really cool, actually, Rupesh. Thank you. Just Android. Awesome. Well, I'm going to be installing that. Yeah, so I am super excited to see Andy's online too. Thanks everyone for watching. Um, just wanted to give a quick update. I didn't want to leave two people in too much suspense, but what really excites me about this product is it's the ability to impact businesses right away. I like working with customers. It's something I learned when I was at Microsoft, and I love Microsoft to this day. If you look at franksworld.com recently, a number of Microsoft-centric posts. Now, I also snuck in an AWS SageMaker post, which is probably safer for me to do now. But ultimately, I think the important thing with the data age is that the importance is that the ability to kind of capture and build artificial intelligence or ML models, because these are expensive to create. So where you're going to see, I think, over the next 5-10 years is that low code, no code space and these pre-built model space. And I'm going to have more to say about this shortly, but in the meantime, I wanted to kind of talk about the new company. And you'll notice that they're based in Jersey City, New Jersey, not too far from my hometown, but I am not moving. This is 100% remote. And I am excited. If you want to know more, definitely reach out to me or request a demo. Just click on that and tell them Frank sent you. And that's it for me. I hope you have a fantastic day. Little birdie tells me that my partner in crime, podcasting crime, Andy Leonard, will be streaming soon. So if you just can't get enough of us, you can go to datadriven.tv. Oops, that's our secret project. Datadriven.tv. You can check out my podcast there. There is a couple of podcast episodes in the can. I will edit those sometime soon. Sorry about that, Carlos. Things have been kind of crazy. I was trying to close out. I was trying to close out a lot of things at Microsoft. At Microsoft, I was just completely slammed. So let's do this call after lunch. Yeah, absolutely. I got a call at 2 p.m. East. So I'll hit you up. I'm assuming that's Rupesh. And in case you don't believe me, like, this is exactly what I see on my screen is the it just says LinkedIn user, which sounds to me like there's some bugs going on in the LinkedIn API. But it is what it is. So I just want to say thank you all for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And I'll have more to say about Electrify AI and more in the future. And since this is a Tuesday, it is Rupesh. Thank you, Andy. And so one of the things I'm going to do is Andy and I are still working on our secret project. You'll hear more about that in the coming weeks as well. But I am super excited about the opportunity that Electrify presented. It took a lot for me to leave Microsoft. I boomeranged at Microsoft, which, if you don't know the term, is you leave and come back. I've never left and come back to a company in my career, and there are very few companies I'd ever consider going back to. Microsoft obviously still remains one of those. And you'll see, in addition to some GCP and AWS, and I'm still going to not deviate too far from where I am. You'll notice a number of Microsoft text posts coming. I am super excited, as we would say, to work more with Microsoft as a partner. If the keen-eyed among you will notice that that there's a little blank spot there. I see that. You may see a blank spot. I see opportunity. So with that, I really am going to end the stream this time. I'm going to run the risk of running afoul of the LinkedIn requirement to stay streaming for 15 minutes minimum. Maybe I'll stream again later today. Who knows? But I just wanted to put that out. And a couple other things, even though Andy has a saying, I forget what it was, but it was like, if you finished, uh, if you finished, if you're just about to finish something, I really need more coffee. If so with that, I will end the stream. Hey man, anytime. Yeah, Rupesh, I'm assuming that's Rupesh. Rupesh, you are an awesome sir. He's got some cool stuff going on. I'll definitely reach out to you once I end the stream. And that's it. We'll talk more. Thanks for watching live. Thanks for watching later. It really was a hard decision to leave Microsoft, but the opportunity here is enormous. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. And I'm going to roll with my end credits right now. Thanks, everyone.